Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Filvino Sedaputar, student ID number 7213220028. I come from University of Medan. I make this video to explain all about PT Zebra Nusantara Tbk. Profile PT Zebra Nusantara. History. The company was established on January 8, 1987 with the name PT Zebra, confirmed in date number 45, date January 8, 1987. Location: the company office in Jakarta on 12 February 2018 has charged its address from Berita Satu Plaza, 6th floor, Jalan Gen Gatot Subroto, moved to the new address at Satrio Tower South, Jakarta. Board of Commissioners. President Commissioners John Peter Sembiring. Independent Commissioner Rocky Chandra. Presiden Direktur Dr. Handus H. Mulyadi MM. Direktur Yogi Wibawa. PT Zebra Nusantara Sektor Transportation. The company business segmentation is in the field of taxi transportation service managed by the parent company, namely PT Zebra Nusantara Tbk and PT Surabaya Arta Utama bersama. But this business, active in the past 1.5 years, have experienced slowness along with the emergence of online taxis on application-based online taxi. Sector 2, gas fuel business. For the above, the company finally took the right step by concentrating on optimizing the gas fuel business, or BBG, under the flag of subsidiary PT Zebra Energy. In this BBG business, the prospects are getting better and longer, and therefore deserve to be developed. Finance performance review. Net income. In 2018, consolidated net income increased by the 1.79 billion or 11.3% from the 15.87 billion in 2017 to the 17.66 billion in 2018. Direct load. Direct expenses increased by either 1.26 billion or 9.1% from either 13.83 billion in 2017 to their 15.9 billion in 2018. Cash flow. In 2018, the company experienced a decrease in cash flow from operation activities of either 0.44 billion from 0.37 billion in 2017 to minus EDR 0.07 billion in 2018. Net profit loss. In 2018, the company obtained a net loss of EDR 0.47 billion or experienced a decline in profit of EDR 0.85 billion or minus 225.3% from profit of EDR 0.37 billion in 2017 to a loss of EDR 0.47 billion in 2018. Operation expenses. Operation expenses decreased by EDR 1.21 billion or 28.7% from EDR 4.22 billion in 2017 to EDR 3.1 billion in 2018. This is the annual report physics asset and in 2018 and 2017. And this is business segment information. Thank you.